In the heart of Europe, the 18th century dawned upon France, a land bathed in the opulence of the Sun King, Louis XIV. Yet, beneath the glittering façade of Versailles, a quiet revolution was stirring, a philosophical upheaval that would forever alter the course of human thought. This was the Age of Enlightenment. The Age of Reason, as it was often called, was a period marked by a thirst for knowledge, a questioning of established dogmas, and a renewed faith in human reason. Philosophers like René Descartes, Voltaire, and Jean-Jacques Rousseau became the harbingers of this intellectual awakening, their works echoing through the salons of Paris and beyond. In the shadows of the grand chateaux, in the dimly lit cafes, and amidst the bustling marketplaces, ideas were being exchanged, debated, and refined. The Encyclopédie, a monumental work that compiled the knowledge of the age, was born out of this intellectual ferment. Yet, the Age of Enlightenment was not without its challenges. The Ancien Regime, with its absolute monarchy and rigid social hierarchy, stood as a formidable obstacle to the free flow of ideas. Voltaire, a fierce critic of the Church and the state, was exiled multiple times for his outspokenness. Despite these challenges, the Enlightenment continued to flourish, finding its voice in the works of the Philosophers. Rousseau's social contract challenged the very foundations of government, while Denis Diderot's Encyclopédie became a symbol of the age's quest for knowledge. The Age of Enlightenment in France was not just a philosophical movement, it was a cultural revolution. Artists like Jean-Honoré Fragonard and Jean-Laurent D'Alembert were inspired by the ideas of the Philosophers, their works reflecting the age's emphasis on reason, beauty, and the individual. The Age of Enlightenment in France was a beacon of intellectual and cultural transformation. Though it would take several more decades for its ideals to fully manifest, the seeds sown during this period would eventually lead to the French Revolution and the birth of modern democracy. The Age of Enlightenment, in its pursuit of knowledge and reason, had set France on a path towards a brighter future.